Febscastillonava, and I am going to show you how to make these pots using available materials in your home. Since planting is very popular these days and pots became so expensive and in demand, here's what you can do to save money and be productive while at home.
Things needed: a towel or a cloth, cement, water, and a molder. Pour water in the cement and continue mixing for a few minutes until the water is absorbed. Next is wrap a plastic around the molder for easy removal of the pot later on. Then cut a small hole at the center of the cloth. Soak the cloth in the cement until enough cement is absorbed. Then place it on the molder. Let it dry for a few hours. After drying, you may add another coat of cement. Continue adding until you are satisfied with the thickness of your pot. Again, place it under the sun. After drying for 24 hours, you can now design or paint your pot.
I hope you all like this video. Stay safe and thank you so much for watching.